Let's dive into the evolving landscape of AI agents and their potential impact on the software ecosystem. What happened AI agents are software systems designed to perform tasks on behalf of users, leveraging artificial intelligence to interpret commands and automate processes. Major tech players like Google, Meta, Salesforce, Anthropic, and OpenAI are investing heavily in this technology, signaling a significant shift in how we interact with software, why people are talking about it. The conversation around AI agents is gaining momentum because they promise to streamline interactions with technology, making complex tasks simpler and more intuitive. As these agents become more capable, they could redefine user experiences across various domains, from customer service to software development. Why it matters. This shift is crucial as it represents a potential paradigm change in how we engage with digital tools. If AI agents become the intermediary between users and software, they could enhance productivity and accessibility, allowing users to focus on high-level decision-making rather than mundane tasks. Who benefits? 1. Consumers. They gain more efficient and personalized interactions with technology. 2. Businesses. Companies can reduce operational costs and improve customer engagement through automated support and services. 3. Developers. They can focus on higher value tasks, leaving repetitive coding or troubleshooting to AI agents, who may lose. 1. Traditional software companies. Those that rely on conventional interfaces may struggle to adapt. 2. Customer support roles. Jobs that involve routine inquiries may diminish as AI agents take over these functions. 3. Users with limited tech savvy. If AI agents are not designed with accessibility in mind, some users may feel alienated. What people misunderstand. Many believe that AI agents will completely replace human roles or that they are infallible. In reality, while they can automate tasks, they still require oversight and can make errors. The effectiveness of AI agents depends on the quality of the underlying data and algorithms. What could happen next? 1. Increased adoption. As AI agents demonstrate their utility, we may see widespread adoption across industries. 2. New business models. Companies may emerge that specialize in creating and maintaining AI agents, leading to new. Continuing our discussion on AI agents, it's essential to evaluate whether they represent mere hype or a genuine shift in the software landscape. The growing interest from major tech players indicates that this is more than just a passing trend, it's a strategic move toward redefining how we interact with technology. As we see companies like OpenAI and Google pushing their AI agents, it's clear they recognize the potential for these tools to become a new software layer. This could lead to a significant disruption in SaaS models, where traditional applications may need to adapt to integrate with AI agents seamlessly. This shift could empower businesses to automate processes more efficiently, ultimately leading to cost savings and enhanced productivity. Noticing some audience interest in privacy concerns, let's explore that angle briefly. As AI agents become more integrated into our daily lives, the data they collect will be crucial. Companies must navigate the fine line between providing personalized experiences and ensuring user privacy. If mishandled, this could lead to significant backlash and regulatory scrutiny, impacting the trust users place in these technologies. Comparing the players in this space, we have Google and OpenAI with their robust AI capabilities, while companies like Salesforce are focusing on integrating these agents into customer relationship management. Each has its strengths. Google has vast data resources, while OpenAI is known for its cutting-edge models. However, they also face challenges such as ensuring their agents are ethical and transparent. In my opinion, while AI agents are not yet perfect, they are poised to become a fundamental part of our digital interactions. Companies that can effectively harness this technology will likely gain a competitive edge. However, the risk of over-reliance on AI agents could lead to a loss of human touch in customer interactions, which is something businesses must be cautious about. Returning to the main topic, the evolution of AI agents signifies a shift toward a more automated and efficient software landscape. As we continue to see advancements, it is crucial to keep an eye on how these developments will reshape not just individual workflows but entire industries. The potential for AI agents to become a dominant software platform is real, and understanding their implications will be key for businesses and consumers alike. Continuing our exploration of AI agents, it is clear that they are not simply a passing trend, but rather a significant business shift that could redefine the software landscape. The potential for these agents to serve as intermediaries between users and applications is profound, suggesting a future where our interactions with technology become more intuitive and efficient. Noticing some audience interest in the impact on creator workflows, let's delve into that. For content creators, AI agents could revolutionize how they manage tasks, from scheduling posts to generating content ideas. Imagine a scenario where an AI agent understands a creator's style and audience, suggesting topics or even drafting outlines. This could free up valuable time for creators to focus on their craft rather than getting bogged down by administrative tasks. When comparing the players in this space, we see companies like OpenAI focusing on advanced language models, while others like Meta are investing in social integration. OpenAI's ChatGPT, for instance, has shown remarkable capabilities in generating human-like text, while Google's Bard is working to integrate AI into its search functionalities. Each has unique strengths. OpenAI excels in conversational AI, while Google leverages its vast data ecosystem to enhance user experiences. However, there are risks to consider. As these agents become more prevalent, the challenge of maintaining user trust and ensuring ethical use of data becomes paramount. Companies that fail to address privacy concerns may find themselves facing backlash, which could stifle adoption and innovation. In my assessment, while AI agents are not yet a flawless solution, their potential to streamline workflows and enhance productivity is undeniable. The companies that can effectively navigate the ethical landscape and deliver real value through these agents will likely emerge as leaders in this next phase of software development. Returning to the main topic, the rise of AI agents signifies a transformative shift in how we interact with technology. As we continue to see advancements and integrations across various sectors, continuing our examination of AI agents, it's becoming increasingly clear that they represent more than just a fleeting trend. They are indicative of a significant business shift that could reshape the software landscape as we know it. With major players investing heavily in this technology, the question of whether AI agents will become the next major software platform is gaining traction. I see some audience interest in the business impact of AI agents, so let us explore that. For businesses, AI agents can streamline operations, reduce costs, and enhance customer engagement. For instance, companies can deploy AI agents to handle routine inquiries, allowing human employees to focus on more complex tasks that require critical thinking. This shift could lead to improved efficiency and a better overall customer experience. When we compare the strategies of key players, we notice distinct approaches. For example, Salesforce is integrating AI agents into its CRM systems to enhance customer interactions, while companies like OpenAI focus on developing versatile conversational agents that can be adapted across various applications. Google, on the other hand, is leveraging its search capabilities to integrate AI agents into everyday user experiences, making information retrieval more intuitive. However, there are challenges to consider. As AI agents become more integrated into business processes, they raise questions about job displacement and the future of work. While they can enhance productivity, there's a risk that routine jobs may be lost, leading to potential backlash from the workforce. Balancing automation with human roles will be critical for companies looking to implement these technologies responsibly. In my view, while AI agents are still evolving and not without their flaws, their potential to transform business operations is substantial. Companies that can harness this technology effectively will likely gain a competitive advantage, but they must also navigate the ethical implications and ensure that they maintain user trust. Returning to the main topic, the rise of AI agents suggests a pivotal moment in the evolution of software. As we continue to witness advancements and integrations across Continuing our discussion on AI agents, it's evident that they are not merely a passing fad, they signify a substantial business shift with the potential to redefine the software landscape. As these agents become more integrated into everyday applications, we must critically assess their implications for various industries. I've noticed some audience interest in the disruption of SaaS models, so let's explore that angle. AI agents can fundamentally change how SaaS products are designed and delivered. Instead of users navigating complex interfaces, they could simply interact with an AI agent, which would understand their needs and perform tasks on their behalf. This could lead to a more streamlined user experience, making software more accessible to those who may not be tech savvy. When we compare the approaches of different players in the market, we see distinct strategies emerging. For instance, Microsoft is embedding AI agents into its Office suite, enhancing productivity tools like Word and Excel. In contrast, startups are emerging that focus exclusively on developing niche AI agents tailored for specific industries such as healthcare or finance. This diversification could lead to a richer ecosystem of tools that cater to specialized needs. However, there are potential downsides to consider. The reliance on AI agents raises concerns about data privacy and security. As these agents collect and process vast amounts of personal information, the risk of data breaches or misuse increases. Companies must prioritize robust security measures and transparent data practices to maintain user trust. In my assessment, while AI agents are not yet perfect, their ability to disrupt traditional software models is significant. Companies that can leverage this technology effectively will likely gain a competitive edge, but they must also be mindful of the ethical implications involved. Returning to the main topic, the rise of AI agents represents a critical juncture in the evolution of software. As we witness ongoing advancements and integrations across various sectors, it's crucial to understand how these developments will reshape user. Continuing our analysis of AI agents, it's clear that they represent a significant business shift rather than just hype. The potential for these agents to serve as intermediaries between users and software could redefine how we interact with technology across various sectors. I've noticed some audience interest in the implications for personal assistance, so let us dive into that. AI agents could revolutionize personal productivity by managing schedules, organizing tasks, and even filtering information based on user preferences. This could lead to a more personalized experience, where the assistant learns and adapts over time, making it an invaluable tool for busy professionals and individuals alike. When we compare the strategies of major players, we see that companies like Amazon are integrating AI agents into their ecosystems with Alexa, while Apple is enhancing Siri's capabilities. Both are focusing on creating seamless user experiences, but the effectiveness of these agents often hinges on their ability to understand context and provide relevant responses. This is where companies like OpenAI, with their advanced language models, are making strides, pushing the boundaries of what personal assistants can achieve. However, there are challenges to consider. As these agents become more integrated into our lives, concerns about data privacy and security will inevitably rise. Users must be aware of how their data is being used and stored, and companies need to establish transparent practices to foster trust. Failure to do so could lead to significant backlash and hinder widespread adoption. In my view, while AI agents are still maturing, their potential to transform personal productivity and user interactions is substantial. Companies that can effectively harness this technology will likely find themselves at the forefront of the next major software platform. Returning to the main topic, the rise of AI agents signifies a pivotal moment in the evolution of technology. As we observe ongoing advancements in the integration of these agents across various sectors, it's essential to consider how they will reshape our interactions with software and redefine business processes. The Continuing our exploration of AI agents, it's evident that they are not just a passing trend, but a significant business shift that could redefine the software landscape. As these agents become more integrated into various applications, they hold the potential to transform user interactions fundamentally. I see some audience interest in the impact on creator workflows, so let us delve into that. For content creators, AI agents can streamline processes such as content generation, scheduling, and audience engagement. Imagine an AI agent that not only suggests content ideas based on trending topics, but also helps manage social media posts and analyzes audience engagement metrics. This could free creators from routine tasks, allowing them to focus on their creative output. When we compare the strategies of key players in this space, we see that platforms like Adobe are already integrating AI tools into their creative software, enhancing features like image editing and video production. Meanwhile, startups are emerging that focus exclusively on developing AI agents tailored for specific creative tasks, such as script writing or graphic design. This diversification could enrich the toolset available to creators, making it easier for them to produce high-quality work efficiently. However, there are potential downsides to consider. The reliance on AI for creative tasks raises questions about originality and the role of human creativity. If creators rely too heavily on AI agents, there's a risk that their unique voice and style could be diluted. It's crucial for creators to strike a balance between leveraging AI for efficiency and maintaining their personal touch. In my assessment, while AI agents are still evolving, their ability to enhance creator workflows is significant. Those who can effectively integrate these tools into their processes will likely gain a competitive edge in the crowded digital landscape. Returning to the main topic, the rise of AI agents signals a transformative shift in how we interact with technology. As we witness ongoing advancements and integrations across various sectors, it's essential to understand how these developments will reshape user experiences and business operations.